Welcome to Araki's new pad. So when you come in here, it's kind of what you're seeing down the pipe. Got the nice living room here with the leather couch, the coffee table, into our nice little entertainment center here with the 55-inch new Samsung QLED with the soundbar and subwoofer, a little coat rack, couple little boxes, some stuff that I still need to hang up. Eventually there's going to be a nice formal dining room in this area. Then as you come in, we got the pub top seating for 4 with a nice little candle that the lady hooked us up with. And then directly to the left here is where I'll be spending most of my time, here in the office. So we got my standing setup, which I need to cable manage the speaker wire because I just did that today. Otherwise, the other stuff is cable managed. We got the uplift standing desk with the triple monitor setup, the headphones there, and then the custom built computer in the Fantex case that I've had for the last couple years. Pretty beefy rig. If I just replace the graphics card, that'll be good for the next couple years. Work phone, Unify AP, internet. Got my Dungeons and Dragons, Cards Against Humanity, all the good stuff in here. When we come out, right up to the nice breakfast nook here. 3 tables, 3 chairs here, and then I've got my sound bar, Google Home, and a nice kitchen TV here for when I'm doing my cooking. If you guys don't know, I'm a little bit of an amateur chef here. So got my spice rack and all that good stuff, gas stove, gas range, coffee maker, all the good stuff here. Didn't really come with a pantry, so I had to put up these fancy dancy shelves here to hold some stuff on. Got the air conditioner that's going to go in this window. Got the lovely Samsung washer and dryer tucks away in there, but of course I'm doing laundry. In the back here we have the most important thing, which is the beer fridge tucked away back here, and then back there's just the water heater and some mechanical. Then we got the bathroom, of course, and that's about it. So this is Araki's new pad. Let me know what you guys think. That is our room, but I'm not going to open that because Jen is sleeping in there right now. So let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.